Hi, my name is Carlos Ramirez, and we're going to do chicken fajitas.
Hi, my name is Xavier, and today we're going to make fajitas.
Hi, my name is Diego Garcia, and we're going to make chicken fajitas.
Hi, my name is Emilia, and today we're going to do fajitas of chicken.
First, the ingredients are pepper of any color, slices of chicken, tomato, onion, and the material you need: a table, knife, and recipes.
Okay, first, for example, in this pepper, you need to remove the top of the pepper, and then you're going to clean all the pepper, and then you're going to cut like this in slices. Doesn't matter the color of the pepper.
After that, you need to cook them and fry the chicken, and it's ready. This is the ingredients that you have made, like the sauce and the things that you have to. You need to do the chicken. And this is the ingredients you might have to cook the chicken.
¿Ya? Una, dos. Ahí está.
Then you're going to put this on the pan.
Then you need to add Maggi sauce, salsa inglesa. You can add as well salt and pepper. All this to give some flavor to the chicken.
Ya. Es todo,
¡Yummy!
This is about hot.
Put the peppers. The Maggi, other sensation.
The judge is here.